I cannot wait to show you guys my Windone S14. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is a compact e-bike, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and sort this out and put it all together so I can show you how it works, and I'll share with you one of the key features of this bike for sure.
I want to give a huge thanks to Windome for partnering with me on this electric e-bike. It is the S14, which has a folding design and is suitable for daily short distance. We thought that it will be great for us for when we go camping and want to ride around. It is also has front suspension, headlights, tail guide, and side reflection that makes riding super comfortable and safe.
Okay, so there's really not much to put together on this bike. As you can see, it's like tri-folded, and the only thing you gotta do is click it back to the center. And there it is. And it has a kickstand right here. Put the seat in here. Everything just clicks very easily. Alright, it's currently, my battery is currently charging. I haven't even set it up, and I think it's pretty much charged as it has the green light on. Comes with two set of keys, and this is where you turn it on and off. So I'm gonna unplug it. And Willie wants to say hello. And let's set this up. Alright, I haven't put the pedals on the bike just yet, but I'll show you how easy it's for me to put the battery in. So there's a clip right here to lift the seat up like that, and then you just slide this in. Sorry, I had the clip on the seat rubbing on it, so I took that off, and it just slides right in. You tighten these pedals really easily. This is a really cool, handy tool that it came with. Actually, I like to keep these handy because it has all sorts of different functions, and it's really neat. So I'm gonna tie these up, and I'm gonna do the other side next.
As you can see, the bike is built to be able to handle it for us females or males. It is really good. The net weight is 48.5 pounds. It's a step-through design, friendly for, like I said, men or female, smaller build or bigger or older people. It's really convenient. You can completely let your feet hang off the pedals and not use the pedaling function, and you just use the electric bike function, and it works on its own magically. It works really, really well. My husband really reached higher speeds. I was a little bit hesitant. I'm a little bit more a scarier person, but he was able to get it up to 22 miles per hour. So it's really, really nice and friendly for all.
So this is the what is it called?
Speedometer.
Speedometer. And it marks when it's in parking. James was able to get it to 22 miles per hour, and he has the honk right here, and then The lights are really bright. I want to see them when they turn on, and that's what to turn that on. And looks really nice. I think he likes it.
I definitely recommend you guys checking out Windone bikes. They have a wide variety of different e-bikes for different necessities, and they are really great quality. I'm really surprised and pleased to let you guys know that I highly recommend these products, and I will have all the information down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching today's video.